This honestly feels a little nostalgic. What's up, everyone? This is Tia Kirby. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what we're doing today? We're doing a wash and go. I've not done one of these on my channel, and honestly, in real life, outside of the camera, I've not done one in months. As you can see or have seen on my channel, if you've seen my previous videos, that I've been wearing my hair in protective styles, such as like just not doing like two little plaits or a bun, mostly because I've been swimming a lot, and then also, real talk, I've been a little neglectful with my hair. Okay, a lot neglectful with my hair. So it's like, what's the point of doing my hair and then having to turn around and redo it? So the easy thing is always just to wash it, condition it, and put it into those two plaits or a bun, and then keep it moving. Lazy. This honestly feels a little nostalgic, because not the wash and go part, because there's no backdrops, this is just raw. It is what it is, and this is how my channel started, with me in my bathroom just giving you what I got. I was like, let's just make this natural. I wanted to film it, but I was like, I don't feel like putting up everything, so as far as the backdrops and the lighting, so we'll just do nostalgic right here in my bathroom. Follow along with me. I'm going to be using two products, which I'll show you what those are and then talk to you a little more about them as I am doing the wash and go, and I'll do it with a voiceover, that way I don't ramble, like, you know. So am I talking too much? Because I talk too much. Let's get started. My hair's already been washed and deep conditioned, and it's in 4 sections, so I'm gonna probably detangle a little bit and then apply the products. All right, let's get started. As I mentioned before, my hair has already been deep conditioned, which is why I have these 4 sections. I'm going to Bantu knot these out of the way and get started. The first product that I'm going to use is the Argan Oil Curl Activator Cream by Creme of Nature. This is a holy grail staple of mine. The second product is the Doux Crazy Sexy Curl Honey Setting Foam. And I love it. It's my banger, and it gives me amazing definition. As you can see, the back section is already done, so I was going to show you a front section. I am resaturating my hair with water just to wet it down and help to apply the product a lot better and a lot easier. Plus, I want to detangle. So I'm going to go in by applying the Curl Activator Cream. As I mentioned before, I love this product. A little bit goes a long way. Now, I do want to mention that this product is super thick, so it's not normally runny, as you saw it running down my palm. It's actually a very thick product, and sometimes even hard to get out of the bottle. My remedy is adding a little bit of water to the bottle, shaking it up and mixing the water into the product, which helps it come out of the bottle and also gives me more of that runny conditioner type feel. As you can see, it's making my detangling process a dream, especially with my unbrush. And doing this detangling with the unbrush while I have this product, it also helps it to smooth through my hair and saturate a lot better. When I'm working with a larger section, I do like to split it in half and make sure that the product is applied all the way through from roots to end. Now I'm going to go in and apply my mousse. I do like to apply the mousse in smaller sections because I feel like it just works better. I get better definition as I'm raking it through my hair and allowing it to kind of shingle out and allow my curls to set. What I love about both of these products, I can use them individually and I love using them together, and let me tell you why. The Activator Curl Cream, I love it. If I use it by itself, it gives me second day hair on first day. I love that it keeps volume in my hair, it moisturizes it, softens it, smooths it, and gives me great shine. However, I end up having to redo my wash and go, I would say within 2 to 3 days, because it's just a cream and it gives me volume, but it doesn't give me amazing hold or definition. I do love it though, and I do have a video where I did use it by itself, and you can see my hair turned out like super bomb, and that was when I first got turned on to it years ago. I'll make sure to link that video in the comment section. Now, for the mousse, I love it, but it doesn't give me the volume. I keep calling this one a mousse. It's actually a setting foam. I do love both the Doux, their original mousse, and the setting foam, so I kind of alternate between. I can actually use both of those with this Curl Activator Cream. I do want to say that. Right here, I'm showing you that I, of course, have that center part from wearing my little 2 plaits. And I'm going to hop back on subject in a minute, but I wanted to tell you what I'm doing. So I am creating my part, and I was taught to start at the arch of my eyebrow. That's where your part should be. So that's what I was showing you here. I'm Bantu knotting the rest out of the way, and I'm gonna go ahead and style this. And this is the final result. Now, back to whenever I use the mousse by itself, it does give me amazing definition, but I don't have the volume, and I miss that. So that's the reason I combine the two. And also it helps me to stretch both products without running out quickly, because I can use a little bit of each product and a little bit goes a long way. So now we're gonna do my edges. And I just wanted to show you how, like, the longer my hair sits with both products on, the definition starts to like really come in, especially as the product begins to saturate through my hair and you can kind of see it. So my dog came in needing attention because he's a baby. This is my big old brown eyed baby. I loved him. So let's get back to it. So this is my favorite edge control. Reason I love it is because it does give me great hold, and it never leaves a cast in my hair. Like you know how you put an edge control and it works bomb, but the next day you feel like it has that white cast, or if you part it or move it, that white cast kind of comes up. That never happens to me with this product, and I've used it on both dry hair and wet hair. My favorite way to use it is to kind of add a little bit of water in, or if my hair is not wet, and then apply it. It just really does a great job, and I don't need to use any other gel on top of it or anything. It is super bomb. I love this, and it's inexpensive. So if you are looking for a great edge gel, try this one. Let me know what you think about it. But you know, I always try to, what I say, sculpt my edges, because I don't really truly have baby hair. I have to sculpt it and make it happen. So this is what I do on a normal basis. And again, I think this edge control is like under $4. It's super bomb, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Again, this edge gel is the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Super Hold and Smooth Edges Edge Control. It is so bomb. Again, it's under $4 and it works really well, and you'll definitely see after I show you my hair the next day, which I will in this video, you'll see that I didn't have to touch it up. And normally I don't have to touch it up for, meaning my edges, for at least 2 days. And that's possibly if I've like done a lot or sweated or something like that, then just to touch it up, because it's so bomb, and I can keep adding it and it will not flake or give me any residue. It's just bomb. Did I mention I love it? This is a great way for you to see how I actually lay my edges using only this product. If you've not ever seen me sculpt my edges, because I don't have baby hairs, I have to sculpt it and make it look that way. This is my process and what I do. For the next day results, here we are the next morning. You see those edges? Do you see how my hair, I didn't tie it down other than that headscarf that I had on. It does not play. My middle part from wearing my hair in the two plaits always. She ain't going nowhere. But do you see this shine, this definition, and the volume? This is why I like to mix the two products, because I get the best of both worlds. I'm putting on my little oil mixture, which consists of almond oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, and castor oil. That's my little mix. I love it. I'm rubbing it all over my hands, smoothing my hair through to help fluff it out. As you know, using oil on your hands does help to eliminate frizz. I'm going through, and I'm also going to put a little bit on my fingertips and massage the crown of my hair just to kind of give me more volume in that area. Have you ever tried the Doux Mousse Def or the Doux Crazy Sexy Curl Setting Foam? Which is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I want to know. I did want to mention that Creme of Nature has 2 Pro Activator Creams. But trust me, my favorite one is this Argan oil version. And you can find it, I believe, at Walmart. But I wanted to show you my hair in natural lighting. Do you see this? The shine, the definition, the volume. This is my go-to wash and go, and the 2 products that I use with a little bit of my little oil mixture, and it's bomb, and this wash and go will last me a full week. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you've ever tried either of the products, and if you've tried this combination, or if you will try the combination. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Yes, I was on the phone talking. Don't judge me. See you later.